Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to access Windows features in Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with several optional features that you can install or uninstall. Some of these features are disabled by default, as they are intended for advanced and business users. However, if you want to enable or disable a specific optional feature, you can do so via the new Settings app. Right-click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Next, open the Apps tab from the left panel. Under the Apps section, click on Optional Features. Next, click on More Windows Features. In the Windows Features dialog box, you can browse through the list of available features and check or uncheck the boxes next to each feature to enable or disable it. That's it. You can now access and customize the various Windows features available in your system. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.